From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Okay, let's talk weather. First of all, we're taking a look at the foothills outside of Boise here, Channel 7 studios. We have a camera on the roof looking out over this area, and you can see losing the snow here, snow line coming up a little bit. You know, that's because of our temperatures around 50, 51. I know it's not a big deal. And what makes it seem cold, especially, are those winds out there. So looking for changes. We'll talk about that. First of all, 51 degrees was the high today, 50 degrees in Nampa, 51 degrees for Mountain Home. You can see the temperatures there in the Magic Valley as well, with 53 degrees for the high in Twin Falls. These are the winds. Right now, as we just kind of take a look at those and we look ahead in the forecast, tonight, likely around midnight, we could see a wind gust up to about 30 miles an hour. Now, you remember earlier this morning, you heard some of those winds. We could see that or hear that just again very late tonight as well as early tomorrow morning. And these are the winds currently at this point. And as you can see later tonight, there's that 32-mile-an-hour wind gust, or the possibility of that throughout some sections, some gustier winds. And they'll be anywhere from about 5 to 15 miles an hour, even as we continue through Friday. So let's talk about this moisture coming in. Here's the Futurecast. As you take a look at Boise, and we're looking at the moisture coming in very late tonight or early tomorrow morning. And as you can see, a pretty good soaking over here for Caldwell and Ontario, but not getting heavy rain, and snow just in the elevations just around us. And as you look at this, now this computer model starts putting a little snow here in the valley. I think that's more of a rain-snow mix. I think we're going to favor the rain as we get into tomorrow. And as we continue with that, you notice that there's still some of those chances of showers off and on. That's into later Wednesday. And then as you look at Thursday, here's Thursday showing a few more showers as that storm system backs up, so to speak. And you can see some of those showers coming in once again. We might Thursday morning see a little bit of snow before it changes over into rain. So rain amounts, well, you can see it's not fantastic, but it is enough to water the lawn a little bit. As you can see, Boise with 0.14 of an inch. And as we continue through Friday, we get a little break on Friday. Tomorrow, as well as Thursday, has a chance of a few showers, and a total maybe around 1/4 of an inch for Boise, less than that as you go west, and less than that as you go east toward Mountain Home and even into Twin Falls. Snow amounts, we've been talking about, you know, most of the time when these storms come in, that the heavier snows happen to be in the western mountains. That's not the case with this one. We're going to be seeing quite a bit as we look into the Haley area, and they have a lot of snow up there. And just look for the potential of that between Haley as well as Stanley. So temperatures for tomorrow will be in the 40s for the Magic Valley. Most mountain locations will have high temperatures in the 30s. There's McCall, the only 36 degrees, that's the high temperature there. Down through valley locations, highs will be upper 40s right around 50. I have 47 degrees, so as you can see, we're going to have some effect from that storm system bringing the temperature down. And then 50 degrees for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temperatures will come up just a, what did I say a while ago? Just a little bit.
Just a little bit,
Yeah,
not a lot.
Not a lot, just a little bit. And into next week, could come down just a little bit, not a lot, but anyhow, we've got those upper 40s to the lower 50s, and everything that we can see right now, we're at least 2 more weeks. And then as we get into April, maybe, you know, that normal temperature of 60 degrees looks like that's possible.
We can have snow, though, well into, I was going to say well into the spring. That's common.
And right now, it seems the tradition is in the mornings,
okay,
and then during the day, we get the rain.
That's helpful.
Yeah.